In this video, I'm diving deep into my experience using SendOwl, a platform that lets creators and online entrepreneurs sell digital products directly to their audience. If you're selling things like ebooks, PDFs, videos, or software, SendOwl might already be on your radar. I'll walk you through what the site actually looks like, how it works, and most importantly, what it's like to use from a real user's perspective. The first thing you'll notice about SendOwl is that the dashboard is clean and focused. It doesn't have that bloated feel that some e-commerce platforms suffer from. Right after signing in, you get access to all the core areas: product listings, checkout links, affiliate settings, marketing tools, and integration options. It's definitely designed with digital products in mind, and the setup process is very straightforward. Uploading a product is simple. You name it, price it, upload the file, and it's ready for purchase. No unnecessary friction. One of the standout features for me is the checkout customization. SendOwl lets you tweak the checkout page to match your brand, which helps maintain trust with your buyers. You can embed checkout buttons on your own website or share direct checkout links. Payment processing is handled through PayPal and Stripe, which gives flexibility for different customers globally. I had zero issues connecting either service. SendOwl also supports license key delivery and PDF stamping, which are excellent tools for software sellers and digital rights protection. I tested both features, and while they work smoothly, they're not particularly advanced, but they get the job done. There's also the ability to deliver drip content or even physical products if you want, though the platform clearly focuses more on digital. Now, about the affiliate system. It's decent, but not mind-blowing. You can set custom commission rates, provide affiliate links, and track performance. However, compared to standalone affiliate software, the tracking and reporting here feel a bit limited. Still, for creators who want an all-in-one system without adding another tool, it's a good start. Many useful links you can find in the description. In terms of automation, SendOwl integrates with platforms like ConvertKit, MailChimp, and Zapier. That allows you to automate buyer follow-ups, email sequences, or even tag users based on purchase behavior. I use Zapier to link SendOwl with Google Sheets for order tracking, and it works seamlessly. But if you're not already familiar with automation tools, there's a bit of a learning curve. Customer support is email-based only. While responses were professional and helpful, don't expect instant replies. That might be a downside if you need urgent help during a launch or promotion. There's a help center, but it feels a bit limited compared to more modern SaaS platforms. SendOwl's pricing is fair, especially since there are no commissions on sales. Plans start reasonably and scale depending on your needs, but if you're just starting out, the cheapest plan gives you almost everything you need. I personally feel the value is strongest for solo creators or small teams who want something fast, lightweight, and reliable. What it lacks in advanced features, it makes up for in simplicity and focus. It doesn't try to be an all-in-one e-commerce monster. Instead, it's excellent for what it's designed to do: sell digital goods without the mess. If that's your business model, SendOwl is definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and insights. Thanks for watching.